Hi student of 11th, today we would like to discuss the first chapter from the snapshot book. The title of the chapter is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, written by William Seroy. Dear students, this story belongs to Armenia and two Armenian boys. The narrator of the story is Aram. Aram, 9 years old boy, is the narrator of the story, and his cousin Murad, 13 years old. The story is about two Armenian boys. Aram is the narrator of the story, and Murad was known as very lively and adventure loving boy, and he was a crazy fellow. Crazy fellow, a person who does not have a normal behavior. All the time a person who behaves abnormally, just like the mad person is known as a crazy. And Garoglanian tribe, they belong to a tribe, Garoglanian tribe. Garoglanian tribe was known for the honesty, it was known for the trust, it was known for the poverty. The hallmark means quality. The hallmark of the Garoglanian tribe was honesty and the trust. So the people belonging to this tribe, इस जनजाति के जितने भी लोग थे, they were known for their sincerity, they were known for their truth, they were known for their honesty. And Uncle Khosrow, another character we find in the story, Uncle Khosrow was also a crazy man, and Murad was known as the natural descendant of the Uncle Khosrow. So the story is told by the narrator. He says that it was a summer morning, it was a beautiful morning, and he found that his cousin Murad was riding a horse, and he was highly surprised and shocked. He was surprised to see that he was riding on a horse, and even he was requested to come down and to come on the horse riding. Both were passionate for the horse riding. They were very much liking the horse riding. They had a dream, they had a passion for the horse riding. And one more thing, the narrator tells that the Garoglanian family was known for the truth, honesty, but horse, they did not have any capacity, they could not afford buying a horse. And he wanted to know, one hand he was very much fond of riding, and another hand he wanted to know the horse could be stolen, but Garoglanian family could not be the thief, so he could not believe whatever he was observing in front of his eyes, a horse, a beautiful white horse. And they started riding on the horse. Uncle Khosrow, the character, he was a short-tempered person, he was an irritating fellow. What was the signature dialogue of the Uncle Khosrow? All the time he used to speak, "It is no harm, pay no attention." कोई नुकसान नहीं है, इसकी तरफ ध्यान मत दो. Once his son Eric, he came running to a barber shop where Uncle Khosrow was getting his mustache trimmed, and he told his father that the house was in fire. But Uncle Khosrow did not pay attention. Even the barber reminded Uncle Khosrow that, "Sir, your house is in fire and your son has informed." And he shouted and became short tempered by saying that, "Pay no attention, it is no harm." So it was his signature dialogue. Jorab was the father of Murad. He was a practical man. He was not a crazy, just like his son Murad. And John Barrow, who was the John Barrow? John Barrow was a farmer who was the owner of the white horse. The horse has been stolen by Murad from his farmhouse, and he was observing, he was searching, and he was searching everywhere. One day he came to the house of the Aram, and Uncle Khosrow was sitting in the parlor, and he gave the information that my beautiful white horse has been lost. It was the one part of a twin horses. Dear students, Murad and Aram continued riding on the horse. It was the time of 1 month, and one day they were going, they met the farmer John Byrow. And John Byrow farmer saw the horse tooth by tooth, and he recognized the horse, and he said that, by God, it is my horse, and if you could not be my friends' sons, I could not tolerate it. They used to hide the horse in a barn. Barn, what is the barn? Barn होता है जहां पर horses, जहां पर animals are kept in the farmhouse. It was a deserted farmhouse of Fettivigian farmer, and they used to hide the horse in the barn. And Wazire was the name of a white horse. When he used to start riding, he used to shout at the horse, Wazire, and the horse stood on the hind legs. Hind means back legs, and snorted and started running wildly. It was an exciting scene, and both the boys used to have a fun and the joy of the horse riding. Dear students, the horse was stolen, but the Garagalian family could not be a thief. It was against their convention, it was against their tradition. So the horse has been returned to the farmer John Byrow. And one day John Byrow came to the house again, to Aram's house again, and he was having the two horses, even the stolen horses also. He became a grown-up horses. Its behavior was good, and he gave the information to Aram's mother, and that same day Uncle Khosrow was sitting there, and he started praising the horse. The person who had stolen the horse was very much good with the horse, and the horse temper has become good. Uncle Khosrow once again became irritated. Uncle Khosrow once became shouted, and he shouted that, your horse has been returned back. Quit. And it is no harm. Pay no attention to it. The same signature dialogue was spoken. It shows its short temper behavior. It shows its crazy streak. It shows its madness feeling, which was found in the family tribe of Garogalian. Dear students, this is the story. I mean to say that it is a very interesting story. It is a delightful one story. And the incident narrated by the Aram. The incident, the horse was stolen, but it was totally against the convention and tradition and honesty and trust of the Garogalian family. One more signature dialogue spoken by Murad. Murad had spoken 3 dialogues. I have way with the horses, I have way with the farmers, I have way with the dogs in the story. मुझे घोड़ों से भी मैनेज करना आता है, मुझे डॉग्स को मैनेज करना आता है, और मुझे फार्मर्स को भी मैनेज करना आता है. He is so much confident. Dear students, there are some word meanings related to the text. Good old age. Good old age means childhood days. Hallmark means quality. They were known for honesty and truth and the trust. Crazy means not normal feeling. Capricious, changing process, unstable nature of the Garogalian family. Robin, a kind of sparrow. Hind, back side, hind legs. Hind legs mean back legs. Orchard, garden. Streak, a part of human being's character. Means Murad and Uncle Khosrow had a crazy streak in their family. Students, in the story, there is a most important questions. Did the boys return the horse because they were conscience stricken or because they were afraid? The boys returned the horse. partly they were conscience stricken and they were afraid. They were conscience stricken when they were reminded about the honesty as well as the trust and relations and convention and belief of their families by Farmer John Byrow. They were conscience stricken, and a little bit being the boys, they were very much afraid. They were afraid of the horse stealing, but they tried to convince them the stealing a horse for riding was not stealing for everything else, just like a money. It was stealing for the passion. It was stealing for the dream. So we can say that they were feeling conscience stricken and they were afraid also. That's why they returned the horse.